When it is cool outside, when it is about 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, I like to wear a light jacket. This is a light jacket. It's very thin. I put on the light jacket, and it has a zipper. I can zip up the zipper and stay warm when it's cool outside. I also have a hoodie. A hoodie is similar. A hoodie has a hood to put over your head. The hoodie is very soft inside. So I'll put on the hoodie. And I'll zip up the hoodie. And then I can wear the hood to keep my head warm. I also have sweaters. This is a pullover sweater. It's called pullover because to put it on, you pull it over your head. A sweater that is open in front is called a cardigan. This is a cardigan. It just stays open in the front. This is another type of cardigan. It is a sweater that is open in the front, but it has buttons. This is a button-up cardigan. Right now, it is open in the front, but I can button it with the buttons. When it is cold, when it is about 40 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, sometimes I wear a jacket. This jacket is thicker than my hoodie. I put the jacket on and I zip it up. This jacket also has a hood. I can put on the hood to keep my head warm. It also has pockets so I can keep my hands warm. When it is very cold, when it is below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, I wear a coat. A coat is very thick. A coat is also good to keep out the water from snow or rain. This coat is very thick. This coat is also waterproof. This coat has a lot of pockets, and it also has a hood. If I go to a state like Maine in the winter and it's snowing, this is a good coat to wear.